Ikay, your cat food is there, ha? Someone give you your food, ha? Every morning and afternoon. Oh, this is 15 kilos. I have also this one. Cat food is there. Hay too much taste. Huwag ka na mga away, Ikay. Naamoy niya talaga. Bye-bye na, ha. Mag-ingat ka dito, ha. Take care always, Ikay, ha. Yun na, eat ka na. Pagkain mo yan, oh. Eat ka na, drink ka water. Ayaw niya kumain. Don't like to eat. Maybe she feel that I will. She know that I will go. She know my things. Especially this one.